Just rode my little sport home from work to a special delivery, boys. Got something special in here. Brand new Super Gsr46r. And I think that's gonna be my accessories. I got a new deck for it, tank cover, and a couple other things. Let's get them unboxed and get our first ride going. All right, so it's been a while since I posted a YouTube video. Figured I'd do one since the toy collection is growing. Got my Super Goped here, got the OG Sport right there. New trike from Shifted Standards. I haven't posted this. You've seen it on my Instagram if you follow me. But yep, we just got a brand new ped. About to unbox it and take it for a ride. The Evo is good and well. Boost is good and well. Civic is at midnight right now, getting some work done for the season. Hopefully be out soon. But let's get to the ped. We got a bag. It looks like my intake is in here. The pull star and a couple of other things. There's the handlebars. Alright, so got it all unboxed. I was right about the intake being separate. Gotta put that on now. The pull star I'm gonna have to put on. Then we can put some fuel in her and take her for a drive. Apple fix? Wait. Alright folks, got a little distracted before, ended up mowing the lawn, bunch of other crap, but we're back at it. So I got the ped unboxed, had to attach the handlebars, had to put the intake on and the pull star as well. I got the restrictor off of the intake now. Let's see what parts we got. So I had ordered a deck. Got the gas tank cover and a fuel cap. Let's get those on. Tank cover on, got the gas cap on. It doesn't fit that great. It's like it's stripped almost. It might be for the wrong ped. I don't know. It don't make sense, but yeah, got the deck off. Pretty straightforward. 4 bolts. Gonna get the new one on, and it's gonna look a lot better with that blue. I also want to paint the fender for the rear blue. We gotta get the pipe on, but let's get the deck on for now. All right, folks, time to start her up. We're running 25-to-1 premix VP. Ped already looks a lot better. Can't get the gas cap on. I don't know. They didn't build it right. It keeps stripping the tank. I'm gonna have to send that back and get a different one, but let's get our first start up in and go for our first drive. Alright folks, first start up. She's super quiet. Wait till we put that pipe on. I haven't full throttled yet. Still letting the motor break in, haven't went full throttle. The clutch business is a little new to me. It's gonna take some getting used to. I'm used to the hard tire stuff, but thank you for joining my unboxing video. Next time up, we'll have the pipe on. Actually, let me show you guys the pipe real quick before we sign off. And then hopefully this weekend we attend our first Goped ride out. I have my GoPros, probably bring the drone out, but just the pipe. I didn't fully unwrap it. I want to leave some protection as I'm not going to be putting it on right now. But yep, got the RF pipe. Archifab special, best pipes in the game. Got one on the Xped. But we're going to get this on and hopefully go to the ride out this weekend. I think Sunday. See y'all out there. Thanks for tuning in. More car updates soon. Evo's been good. She's making 900. Been driving it around. I fell off from YouTube. I haven't been posting as much, but I'll try to post more here and there. See you guys soon.